All right, so this is just a quick and easy video that I just found something out. I was on Zoom. I know a lot of people are using Zoom now, and they might be having this trouble. So I was in a Zoom meeting, and I was doing a. I was in my not my recliner, my desk chair, and you can lean back, right? So I'm close to the screen, then I'm back from the screen, and my buddy's like, I can't hear you when you lean back in your chair, which seemed odd to me. So anyway, if you go down to the microphone button here, it says mute. There's a little up arrow. So you see my cursor here? Okay, so hit the up arrow, and then you can go to audio settings. All right, so audio settings. So what was going on was this was originally set to these two settings were these two checkbox. This checkbox and this radial button were both clicked. So this is, I assume, the default setting. So under microphone, it says automatically adjust microphone volume. So I guess what was happening was the dynamics of that, it wasn't adjusting to the dynamics of that. So what I did was you unclick that, well, I unclicked that, and then you can set your input level here. So you can see here's this little blue bar here going up and down is me actually talking right now, and it's showing where my input level is. So if somebody says I can't hear you, you can boost the gain on the input level, and then if somebody says, boy, it sounds like you're shouting all the time, you can turn it down. So I got mine at about, I don't know, 60-70%. And then here is background noise suppression. So I just set mine at low so that it says basically it's going to block like faint background noises. And then medium is, here you go, computer fan, pen taps, which is probably good because this is a gaming laptop, so the computer fan might interrupt if it but usually during Zoom meetings it doesn't overheat. And then high for like if you have a dog barking in the background, this will suppress this. So I made both of these settings manual. I hope that helps you. It certainly helped me. So Zoom is something that I'm still tweaking the settings on. I thought this might help somebody, so go ahead and share it if you think somebody else might be able to use this. And go ahead and put your tips in the description below for me and others, so that we can, because since we're all using this kind of software, we'll all learn from each other. So have a great day. I hope you can help somebody today, and it'll make you feel good. And I hope this helps somebody. So thanks a lot. Have a great day.